the vector sum of two forces is perpendicular to their vector difference. In that case, the forces, here we are discussing about vector sum of two forces and vector difference of these two forces. Suppose these forces as A vector and B vector. So vector sum of these forces is also a vector. Suppose it is R1 vector, and difference of these vectors, that is A vector minus B vector, we have considered it as R2 vector. So in the question it is given these forces, that is R1 which is vector sum of two forces and R2 vector which is vector difference of two forces is perpendicular to each other. Therefore, condition of perpendicular will be, if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product will be 0. If R1 is perpendicular to R2 vector, then we can say R1 dot R2 will be equal to 0. Now we will put the value of R1 and R2. Therefore, we will get A vector plus B vector dot product with A vector minus B vector. Now we will simplify this one. On opening bracket, we will get A dot A minus A dot B plus B dot A minus B dot B. Now on further solving, we will use properties of dot product in which we have studied self dot product. If we want to discuss about self dot product, its answer will be, self dot product answer will be equal to square of the magnitude of the vector, means A dot A will be equal to square of its own magnitude. Suppose A vector having magnitude A, it means self dot product will give us A square. Similarly, B dot B will give us B square. Another one, here we have seen A dot B and next term is B dot A. According to commutative law, A dot B is equal to B dot A, or we can say B dot A is equal to A dot B. Therefore, we will replace B dot A with A dot B. So our equation will be like this. Here we can see minus A dot B will cancel plus A dot B. So remaining part will be A square minus B square equal to 0, or we can say A square will be equal to B square, means magnitude of A vector will be equal to magnitude of B vector. Therefore, those forces which are being added, that is vector sum, and are subtracted, that is vector difference, should be in equal magnitude to be perpendicular to each other. Therefore, answer of this question is are equal in magnitude, or we can say are equal to each other in magnitude. Thank you.